M1, working with them was just a dream. I mean, they were fantastic collaborators. They worked with us from the very beginning. It was a very complex subject matter. They absorbed it, they researched it, they took it and they ran with it, and we could not be happier with the end results.
And M1 brings the knowledge of the technology, the ability to flesh out what we were envisioning on paper they could do in reality.
M1 was involved in doing all the audio, video, designing interactives. I liked the way they work. They're really into what they're doing. They liked trying out new technology, and it was a nice journey.
We want to give people the experience in a way that they expect and a little bit challenge them outside of that and have it be a really engaging, interesting experience.
It's wonderful to watch the space come to life and seeing the children and the adults, families coming in and working with it. It's very rewarding.
I think that this project is successful because of M1. They were a great partner to this. I think that this project is a 10 because of them.
I think that this is an exhibition that really drives us forward as an institution. M1 was pretty essential in helping bridge the distance between challenging content and a really great experience.